The 2003 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, automatic transmission, air conditioning, front, cruise control, compass, passenger airbag, fog lamps, remote power door locks, power windows, tachometer, daytime running lights, tilt steering wheel, privacy glass. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Your new ride is just a phone call away.